There are over 550 companies reporting this week, and a lot of them are interesting consumer names and some other consumer-focused type companies. So I put together a list of the ones that I think people are really going to be watching this week. So let's see what they are. First one on the list has a new name, Capri. I have to get used to this. CPRI is the ticker. This was Michael Kors. It hasn't missed in 5 years as Michael Kors. Maybe the Capri name may continue on with this streak. We'll see. But as you can see, it's been kind of a rocky road here, especially there at the end of 2018. Now, this was normal for a lot of the kind of high growth names, and the ones that do a lot of business in China got really hit there towards the end of the year on that China weakness. So Capri is one of the ones that you should be watching if you're interested in what's going on over in China with the consumer, because they do have a big presence there. So this is going to be one of the big retail names this week. And then we're switching over to Match Group. Now this is Tinder plus Match.com plus a couple of other dating sites that they own. So they're kind of the king of the dating sites. And it got kind of interesting there in 2018. Also had the big pullback, as we've seen with a lot of others, but it's put together a streak of 3 in a row after that streak of all those misses. So it's getting its beat record together, and the shares have really taken off those lows. Can this hold? Can this momentum continue? We'll see. Then switching over to iRobot. This is another one with a great track record. No misses there in the last 5 years. That's really impressive. And some of the recent ones have been really huge. Look at those big green arrows. That's a really big magnitude of a beat there. So you really do want to see that. But shares did get choppy in the last 2 years. Didn't have quite as big a pullback at the end of 2018 as some of the others, but it did, have the correction there. So can we get some more momentum to the upside here? That's true of a lot of stocks this earnings season, so we'll see. Then switching to another big retailer that switched its name a couple of years ago, Tapestry. This is Coach, remember, also owns Kate Spade. And they too had the big sell-off there at the end of 2018, also probably because they too are big in China. And we'll see how that is going. But they also have the great track record, haven't missed in 5 years. That's not easy to do, but these shares are pretty choppy, kind of staying in this narrow trading range. But this big sell-off at 2018 could have been a buying opportunity, but we'll see. And then switching over to another big restaurant name, Yum. This one, that big sell-off there, what looks like a sell-off in 2016, was the spin-off of Yum China. So now we just got the KFC and the Taco Bell and the Pizza Hut here in the United States and the rest of the globe, I believe. So this one is going to be interesting. It has really taken off here. It looks like it wants to break out, dare I say it. We're not seeing too many breakout stocks right now, but this is one of them. So is everyone, really eating that KFC and that Pizza Hut? We'll see. But this is one of the restaurant names you should be tuning into. So as you can see, a lot of the big consumer names are coming out now, and this is going to be key because people are still kind of jittery about whether or not the U.S. economy could be going into a recession. But a lot of these companies will have something to say about that and what they're seeing with the consumer. Now, some of the retailers are coming off of their big holiday quarter, but still they'll see the trends going into January and maybe even here at the start of February to let us know kind of where they see things going in 2019. So that's key the next couple of weeks as we get a lot of these retail and restaurant names reporting. What are they seeing out there, and is there a recession approaching? But these are some of the names that you're going to want to tune into. And remember, you can get all of our videos if you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can get there by going to Zacks.com/YouTube. It's real easy now. Just go Zacks.com/YouTube and you'll be able to subscribe there. Otherwise, we'll be tweeting out all of these videos, and you can get them on Zacks.com itself as well. But I'll be bringing you all these earnings charts all season long. So you want to subscribe. Don't miss a single one. I'll be back again next week with the hottest earnings charts.